Hey guys, it's your favorite gold miner, prospector, and geologist, Jeff Williams. And today we're gonna head up to that V-shaped cave, that mysterious one, try to figure out what the heck is going on with that thing. Maybe that cave's related to the M cave that Kenny Veach got stuck in. Maybe he's gonna pop out up there. So, and I'm gonna take samples too, because we found a lot of good gold last time. Now I know you're thinking, Jeff, how the heck are you gonna get up there? You don't have any ropes with you. Yeah, I know, I got something better. I got drones. I've got a Mavic 3 and I've got the FPV drone. Yeah, this thing can get into tight quarters. Isn't that cool? So I figured if we have these, we can at least get up inside of there. Now the neat thing about an FPV or first person view drone is that you get a set of goggles so you can actually see what's going on as it's happening. See that? I can see everything now, up close and personal.
Luke, I am your father.
So enough jaw jacking. Let's go find out what's in there. But I'm not gonna do anything till you smash that like button. I know you're saying, Jeff, it's too soon for that. I don't care, I'm saying it anyway. Smash it hard. And yeah, I got my Part 107 license, so I don't want to hear anybody in the audience complaining. So I figured we'll start with the big drone, see what we can do, and then we'll put in the little drone. Doesn't that make sense? Because that's so much easier than trying to climb up that darn thing with a bunch of ropes and all kinds of crazy hardware.
close before. Better, stronger, faster.
Cameras are on.
Winds are okay, Steve. Westerly at about 10 knots. Coming on. I'm indicating 004. How does that look? Looks good, Steve, and all systems are okay here. The winds are westerly at 10 knots. Okay. This is NASA 1 calling 10 seconds now. 10 seconds, roger. 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looks good at NASA 1. Roger. BCS arm switch is on. Okay, Victor. Landing rocket arm switch is on. Here comes the throttle. Chevy breakers in. We have separation. Roger. Inboard and outboard are on. We're coming forward with the side stick. Looks good. Roger. I've got a blowout. Vapor 3. Get your pitch to 0. Pitch is out. I can't hold altitude. Correction. Alpha is off. Track selected emergency. Flight call. I can't hold it. She's breaking up. She's breaking.
I crashed it, and now I gotta go find it. And did I mention that was the first time flying an FPV? I didn't know this, but it's got a altitude limiter on it. That's why it crashed. I was trying to pull up, and it said altitude limit reached, and bam. So yeah, I'm not gonna forget that you gotta remove that altitude limiter for future reference. Oh boy. And it's getting cold real fast. But I gotta find that darn thing. So we get to go on a nature hike. See if I can find it. So let that be a lesson. If you get a new drone, practice with it first on some flat ground and then take the altitude limiter off. Good thing I had my Wheaties today, huh? Wow, what a climb. I should have just brought some rope and I could have been in that cave by now. Oh man. Wow, climbed all the way to the very top. What a view. But I found it. Look at this. This little monker was hiding right in there. Wasn't far from him. What a little rascal. All right, let's get down off this mountain before I freeze my butt off. I'll tell you what, that'll test your mettle every time, chasing a drone to the top of a mountain. Con! There's that pesky cave. And that's where the drone was sitting, on the top of that hill. Oh, what a burger. Now, you know, next time I'm gonna bring hammer drills and the right bits and anchors and ropes. I'm just gonna figure this thing out, because the more and more this thing keeps eluding me, the more and more I gotta know what's inside of it. And I know you gotta know what's inside of it. I could have sworn I saw somebody peeking out over the top of that. Look, take a look. You see it? It looks like somebody's poking their head out from around the corner. I don't know if you can see that. I told you the Oompa-Oompas come out at night. I don't know what's in that cave. And I got a big surprise for you too. One that you're not gonna expect. Now that was a rascal. But look what I found. That's an old canteen. Not a single bullet hole in it. How cool is that? There's a spout right there. There's a rust hole in the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? You never know what that mountain's gonna give up. Here you go, sweetie. One drone, as promised. Now, if you enjoyed today's episode, you better smash that like button. Smash it hard. I tell you what, that thing will test your metal. Woo! And don't forget, at the end of every month, we give away 10 incredibly rich bags of pay dirt from our drift mine. We give a brand new Gold Monster 1000 metal detector away, and any of the gold nuggets we find while we're mining, either in the field or in the drift mine. And don't forget, tours are coming up where they find ounces of gold. In fact, one of the guys on the tour made a necklace that appraised for 8 grand. Now, if you want to get involved with any of this stuff, just look for the little icon at the end of the video that looks like that. You're gonna click on it, make a $10 pledge, and you're in like Flynn. And I'll see you on the next video.